Yeah, so the automation, depending on how you guys get it taken care of, could be a 2 week experience to get it built, or it could be a 2 year experience to get it built. We definitely recommend using our services to get it built. But so we go through that experience, we build it 2 weeks, and then we review it 2 weeks, and then we train you guys on it for a month, and then you're off on your own. Like, what does it look like to maintain a CRM long term? Well, I recommend a meeting every week for an hour with your team. We're going through each of the pipelines, stages, and we're specifically looking at every single opportunity. And you might have to do this as a department if you have a big organization, or if you have a small organization, you could have every person involved in this. But we're auditing the pipeline stages and the cards, making sure they're in the right experience. Because if we had a conversation with a customer and we didn't update that customer in the CRM, well, they could be getting communication from a campaign they're not supposed to be getting. And so auditing, creating that cadence of accountability. Every week we're going to come, we're going to talk about this technology. It manages all of our customer relationships, and we're going to have sales conversations about how we could use these stages more effectively to get what we want out of this experience. And then I think lastly, we wouldn't be getting into technology CRM specifically if it wasn't about reports, right? We want to have analytics on what goes into this thing. And so that should be your goal long term. How can I see the big numbers, that come out of this thing? What are our conversions looking like stage to stage? And so once you get your plan kind of built, then it's how do you measure it? And then how do you make micro changes over time? It's through reporting. So the goal should be to get to reports.